Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Jackson Ng, and today I'd like to share with you on the Masterpiece series. How can anyone like you and me, how can we become a winner in the tough times? How can we do well in this new normal? How can we still win when things are different today and the way we are functioning is different from 2 years ago? Now, I'd like to share with you the first thing, that how anyone can turn around the situation. And today's topic is called the law of vibration. Some people call it the law of attraction. So you see, in our life, a lot of things happen in the physical form where you can see, touch and smell. That is the latter part. But everything begins with the idea that forms in your mind. So from the spiritual form, it will translate to physical form later part. The law of attraction or the law of vibration is stating that everything that you think about will be performed in your daily actions. And your daily actions will give you the results in your life. For instance, the car that you are currently driving, today that you're driving this car, is the result of an idea that you once had in your mind. You are just thinking about having this car and you're just thinking about getting this car for yourself. So one day you may end up to be visiting a car showroom and test drive the car, and you so love this car and you book the car, you paid some deposit and you drove the car home. Today you're driving this car many years later. But do you realize the day you got your new car is when you start driving on the road and you start to notice, hey, how come I see the similar color, similar model, exactly like my car? You were not noticing this car before until the day you drove this car home. Now, the law of vibration says that when you are thinking of an idea constantly, you are going to attract this thing to your life. So the first thing first, if you are talking about setting goals in your life and you are not thinking about it every single day, very surely and slowly your goals will disappear. So if you are thinking of something every day passionately, most likely you are going to attain the goal. You're going to find ways to achieve your goal. Be it losing 10 kg, be it buying a new car, be it get a new job, be it anything. Whatever goals that you have planted in your mind, if you put in the desire to really want it so badly, you will be thinking of ways to perform the action. As a result, you will get the thing that you are thinking about. So if a person is thinking of poverty all the time, I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have money. Or you may say, I'm poor, I'm poor, I'm poor. What do you think the result will be in this person's life? It will be poverty. What we think about, it will be translated in the physical form. What if this person is thinking about making 10,000 a month? Making 10,000 ringgit a month, and this guy will be thinking that I need 10,000, I really want to have 10,000 ringgit. Therefore, this person will be thinking of how can I get 10,000 ringgit. However, knowing how to get 10,000 ringgit is not so important compared to why you want the 10,000 ringgit. Because if you are passionate about earning 10,000 ringgit, and the desire is so strong, you will figure out ways to make it happen. A lot of people have the skills, they have the knowledge, but the desire to materialize the goal is not strong enough. So the law of vibration requires two criteria in order for you to see ideas translated in the physical form. The first thing first is how clear is the goal that you have in your mind. If you say you want to buy a car, what color is the car that you want to buy? What model? How much? Okay, what are the specification for the car that you want to buy? So first thing first is how clear is the goal. Second question you need to ask yourself is how passionate are you with buying this car? How strong is your desire to get this car? And if you meet these two criteria, don't worry about how to get it. You will figure out a way to get the car. So ladies and gentlemen, it's very important for you to have these two basic criteria. And sometimes you may not get exactly what you want, but you will get something close to what you want. For instance, a salesperson says, I want to be earning 10,000 ringgit, and he works very hard. He may not get 10,000 ringgit, he may get 9,000 ringgit, which is close to his goal. But if a person don't have a goal like I want to earn 10,000 ringgit, he will never get 10,000 ringgit, because getting this goal, attaining this goal is not in his mind. So the law of vibration requires you and I to have two criteria. Be clear of what you want. Be passionate of what you want. And of course, merely thinking and no action will not get you closer to your goal. You need to perform the right actions in order to get what you want. This is Jackson Ng, and I'm the author of this book called You Are a Masterpiece. And that is the first law that I want to share with you. It's called the law of vibration or the law of attraction. Thank you for watching this video.